sweaty. This is only a 20-minute workout. So we're gonna get it, and we are going to go after it. Yeah! Here we go. 1, 2, 3. These arms are optional. Push it back. Up. 2 jacks. Right and left. Let's go. Do that same thing again. 1, 2, 3. Hey. Ow! Yes. Up. This time we're going to add a pivot. 4, 3. Right foot up and around. Let's go. Right. Nice. Take it side to side. And left. Again. Money. Making money moves, baby. 4, 3. Back to the top. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Push it back. Pivot, right foot, lean, go. Up. Nice. Again. All right, it's time to get serious. Show me your muscles. Uppercut. We're gonna bring it up. The next time, I want you to go twice as hard and faster. Go. Go. Yes. Take it down. From the top. Up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm so damn grateful. I grew up really wanna go fronts, but that's what you get when we raise you. Y'all can't stop me.
And jack it out. Let's go. 4, 3. Back to the top. Let's go. Hey. Hey. Push it back. Woo! Pivot. Right foot. Let's go. Hey, hey, hey. Came here to live life. Yes. Again. Last one. Get out those biceps. Yes. I want you to go big on that. Yes. Nice. Girls. Let's go. All right. We're going to step, pump, step, pump. You take it up, back, up. Turn it. And pump that booty. Yes. You go up, back, up, and turn. Again. One more full round. Stay low. Pump it. Pump it. Front, back, turn. This is the best part. All the way around. Make this huge, the biggest one. Na, 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 na. Ow! Again. Like the ceiling can't hold.